Hello students, today we will continue with the first lesson of Standard 8 Science, Living World and Classification of Microbes. Today we will see the content from page number 2 and 3. Last time we studied about Kingdom Monera and Kingdom Protista. Today we will study about Kingdom Fungi. In your textbook, they have given you that you have to do an experiment of like keeping a piece of bread or chapati in a closed tiffin or box, in a closed box, not in a open. After few days, we will see a cottony layer on the bread or the piece of chapati. This layer is called as the fungi. The diagram which is shown in a textbook is same as it is shown here, and this fungi grows with the help of the sporangiums. The sporangium splits and falls on the other part of the bread, and the fungus grows over there. The other fungus which we see around us is also mushrooms. Mushrooms are also fungi. The characteristics of fungi are they are non-green, eukaryotic and heterotrophic. Usually the non-green plants, fungi, they are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means their cell consists of the nucleus which has cell wall or cell membrane, or the other organelles also consist of the cell wall. Heterotrophic means they do not prepare their own food, they depend on the another living organisms for their nutrition. Second point is the organisms in kingdom fungi are saprophytic. The meaning of saprophytic is they depend or they live, or the nutrition which they get is from the dead organisms. Like suppose now in the rainy season, if you see around, if there is a piece of wood or a tree, a dead tree, the fungus or the mushrooms will grow on that tree. The third characteristic is the cell wall is made of chitin. Chitin is a sugar based cell wall. And examples you can take as baker's yeast, mushrooms. On page number 3, they have given you the classification of the microbes. The flow chart is given in which microorganisms are classified into two parts, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Today we will see only about prokaryotes, that is bacteria. Bacteria, they are unicellular and parasitic, and as you know, studied in kingdom Monera, bacteria are prokaryotic, means their nucleus does not consist of the cell membrane. Unicellular means consist of or made of only one cell. You can see the picture of bacteria, different types of bacteria are shown over here. They are parasitic. Parasitic means they depend on the, they live on the body of other living organisms or inside the body of other organisms. Third point is they reproduce by binary fission. Binary fission means if the bacteria wants to grow, or then if the bacteria wants to give birth to new bacteria, then the parent bacteria will divide itself into two parts. And last point is they grow fast. If there is a good favorable conditions for the bacteria will grow fast. Thank you.